Sichuan TOPMAG is a national high-tech enterprise. We specialize in researching and producing various ferrite products. Our products include tile-shaped, square, ring-shaped, and other custom shapes. The factory covers 19,500 square meters. We have an annual production capacity of over 10,000 tons. We are equipped with 10 spindle-driving ball milling machines and 48 fully automatic servo hydraulic presses, which enable us to efficiently produce high-quality ferrite products. Our production lines include 3 double-layer roller kilns and 1 single-layer roller kiln. We have 25 self-developed multi-position production lines for grinding, cleaning, sorting, magnetizing, and packaging. Our MES system ensures data collection, tracking, and monitoring throughout the production process. We have a group of highly skilled engineers and researchers. We are committed to staying at the forefront of ferrite technology. Welcome to contact us.